Welcome to web+gismatrix. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to use the deep link feature to seamlessly share specific map locations and objects. Start by using the selection tool to highlight the desired features on your map. Once selected, open the context menu and choose Deep Link. You'll see the web+gismatrix protocol, which is designed for external software integration. However, for sharing via email today, we'll select the standard HTTPS format. Your device's native sharing menu will instantly appear. Choose your preferred app, in this case, Gmail. The deep link is automatically inserted into your message, so all you have to do is enter the recipient's address and hit send. Now, let's switch perspectives and see what happens on the receiving end. When the recipient opens the email and taps the web+gismatrix link, the application automatically launches. It dynamically processes the spatial query and instantly zooms in to highlight the exact objects you shared earlier. It's a fast and highly efficient way to collaborate. Thanks for watching.